Alright, so we got Darian's car out here running, driving around, seeing what that tick's coming from. And it's trying to die sometimes too, but yeah, we're having some fun. Yeah. So what's up, guys? That was awesome. That car was so much fun. So like similar to mine, but like different at the same time. I like it so much. I can't wait to be tandem drifting together, just inches away from each other's door. It's gonna be so awesome. But yeah, I just got done picking up this computer right here for tuning our ECUs, so one step closer with that. I'm gonna go home and try to get it set up. They said that this computer doesn't even run, so we'll see if I can get it to run. I hope so, because then that'll make it one step easier for me. Anyhow, then I just need a cord and I can plug into our USB, not USB, OBD. I can plug into our OBD ports and flash our ECUs and put new base maps on there. That way we can obviously tune our cars for turbo setups, for NA setups, whatever we want to. So that'll be fun to screw around with that. And I'm gonna be LS swapping ours, so if I end up like frying that ECU while I'm tuning it, because I'm probably not going to know anything about it right away. I've done my research, but it's pretty complex, so if I screw that up and make a paperweight, who cares, because I'm going to have the LS going in there anyway. It's a 5.3 and it's out of a Tahoe, so I'll have some videos of that here soon, like me ripping the motor out and stuff and figuring out like what I need to bring over to the BMW to make it work swap-wise anyways. So I'm gonna probably be getting the Sicky Racing engine mounts for it, and yeah, I'll just keep you posted each step along the way with that swap, but that's not gonna be starting here for maybe like a couple more weeks. So, but keep that in your minds. That's like somewhere on the horizon anyway. I also have a shout out that I'd like to give for somebody who follows me on Instagram and is also subscribed to G-Spot Garage. Also, he's letting me use the music for this video, and I hope to like continue our partnership as well. Anyway, his name is Just Tatum. How about you go and follow him on Instagram and also on YouTube. I will link his YouTube at the end of this video, and I'll put his Instagram also in the description on this video as well. So yeah, go ahead and check out his stuff. Just had him. Thank you so much for the music for this video, and yeah. Alright guys, well that pretty much sums it up for this episode. I hope you enjoyed what you watched. There's going to be a lot more footage coming here soon with BMW stuff, so stay tuned for that. Going to be doing some DIY tuning on the MS42 and MS43 computers, so that's going to be something that's new around here. So just please drop a like on this video and tell me what you think in the comments, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet, and stay tuned.
Thank you for clearing all my racing thoughts. Patient heart, patient heart, patient heart, patient heart, patient heart, patient heart. Thank you for clearing all my racing thoughts. Patient heart, patient heart.